Hey everybody, this is Devin over at Gengras Jeep East Hartford here. We're here to talk to you today about the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude package, but more specifically we're talking today safety. Of course everybody knows what cruise control is. Nobody buys a car anymore that doesn't have cruise control, but now this car and a lot of our cars come standard with what's called adaptive cruise control, commonly referred to as distance pacing cruise control. What this feature does is allows you to set the distance between you and the car in front of you, and should that car speed up, you'll automatically speed up. If that car pulls over, you'll go by that car doing the speed that you were set at. You have the ability to control that through controls here on the steering wheel. The controls are very similar to those for the regular and the standard cruise control that we all know. When you utilize this function, it's also going to pop up in the driver information display, which is behind the steering wheel. It's going to show you if the features have been activated. Now, you may need to practice this. You may need to play with this a couple times to get comfortable using it. Don't be afraid of it. It's there for a reason. It's one of the many safety features that we offer standard on this vehicle. If you'd like to find out more about how this feature works or how you can go about talking to us further about this vehicle, visit the link below for more information. Thank you.